3 hot tips to coloring your perfect locks extensions like a pro. Tip 1. Always pre-wash your extensions before installation for the best blend. Tip 2. Try toning your extensions on damp hair. I like to keep a water bottle handy to make sure that my saturation and porosity is even and consistent for the best color results. Tip 3. Don't be afraid to give your brush a little wiggle. This helps to ensure that the color gets all the way through the extension from the front to the back so that you have the best and even color results for your extensions. And here's the end result. I think they came out beautiful. I love how saturated and even the color is, and these are going to be a great addition to anyone's hair for a pop of color. Follow me for more.